In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Revolut for Business. We'll walk through the full sign-up flow from finding the website to reaching your dashboard, so you know exactly what to expect and what to prepare. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Make sure you're on the official Revolut site, then look for the option to create a business account. Select Create Account, and you'll be prompted to choose your country. It's important to pick the country where your business is registered and confirm that Revolut supports it. If your country isn't supported, you won't be able to continue, so double check the list before proceeding. Click Continue to move on. Next, choose your legal business type, such as sole trader, partnership, or limited company. Pick the option that exactly matches your registration documents, then continue. Enter your work email address, continue again, and head to your inbox to authorize the login. If you don't see the message, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure your email can receive external messages. You'll then be asked for your phone number. Select the correct country code first. Enter your number and continue. A verification code will be sent by text. Enter that code to confirm your device. Create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. Store it securely and continue. Provide your date of birth and continue. Enter your residential address accurately. This is part of standard compliance checks, so make sure it matches your identification documents, then continue. Search for your business's legal name and continue. Now enter your business details, including the legal name, your company, registration number, and the date of incorporation. Depending on your country, this might be labeled differently, but in some regions, it's the number issued by the National Companies Registry. Review for accuracy and continue. Add your business address, including city and postcode, and continue. You'll then verify your identity. Click Continue. Choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or national ID, and make sure it's valid and not expired. When prompted, select Start Record Video, follow the on-screen instructions, keep your face and document fully visible, and use good lighting to avoid glare. Complete the liveness checks as directed. After your information is verified, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. Some features may finalize after a short compliance review, but you can begin exploring your settings and get ready to use your account for day-to-day operations. And that's the complete process for getting a Revolut business account set up smoothly.